Hello, in this tutorial I will be sharing my conclusions regarding if a seller can choose the worst ETB they have. Let's start. Let me try again, maybe there is a mistake. Oh, interesting. Fortunately, I have several copies of this card, so this means I can conduct additional tests. I will test several energy cards as well. So, most of the energy cards have a weight of 1.8 except for one that is 1.7. Interesting. Let's do the same for the other cards. In the best case scenario, if a holo and reverse weight the same as normal cards, you can very easily figure out where the illustration card is. All the seller needs to do is replace the booster with something else. It's not bulletproof, but it doesn't have to be 100% accurate. It has to be profitable. As a disclaimer, I must say that I don't think all sellers are doing this. Just saying, let's talk about this scenario where John opens an ETB, weights the cards, open one or two to get the best cards, and what's left he can sell to recover money from the ETB and make a profit. I'm curious to see what the weight of an ultra card is. In the worst case scenario, you get a holo or a reverse with 1.9. 1 is enough and you get fooled into opening the booster. But as you saw, a holo or a reverse with 1.9 or 1.7 is rare. I also had doubles from other boosters. So I'm determined to continue experimenting. Are cards from different sets also different in weight? I'll keep testing and weighting more boosters to see if we can uncover any connections. If you are intrigued as me, please subscribe to stay updated on our findings and future experiments. Your support means a lot. Thank you. See you next time.